Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to use the official web version of Roblox instead of the Microsoft Store version. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and you just need to search for roblox.com. Select the login option and log in to your Roblox account. Select the login option. After logging to your account, you just need to select any games you want to play. Select the play option and Roblox is loading and get ready. Select the download and install Roblox option. After getting download done, you just need to install the Roblox player installer guys. Installing web version of Roblox permanently fix the mouse cursor problem you are getting on the Microsoft Store version. After getting installed done, you just need to log into your Roblox account and you can play without having any problem guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.